This villain was exposed in eye-catching pink panties and a straw hat while robbing a store.
I'm with a handgun, male, black, white, a green shirt, pink pants, and a hat. Code 3 incident 444. Additional incident 444.
The suspect was later identified as 41-year-old Christopher Hull. The villain walks in wearing pink panties and a straw hat. Every head turns before anyone sees the gun. He puts a finger to his lips, then quietly shows a handgun and a knife in his bag, then demanding the money from the clerk. The female clerk bolts to the back kitchen, grabs pepper spray, and stands shoulder to shoulder with her coworker. He storms in after her, and raises the gun and pointing it straight at both employees. During the struggle, cash gets thrown. He snatches it off the ground and runs out.
Get back! Sir, get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Which way, run? Hey! He's over here. Wait, watch your back. Where is he? Get out! Yeah. ¿Dónde se fue? ¿Estás bien? And airship, I think he ran into the parking lot of the U-Haul. Okay, right here. Hey, hey, hey! Get back! Get back! Hey! You got him! Hey! He's right here! Drop the gun! Okay, I see him. Roger, I got the suspect right here in the building. He's wearing a green shirt, black pants. Get over here! Hey! Get out of here! Hey! Get over here! Get over here! You're gonna get shot! Hey, watch! I got suspect right! Where's your hands? Hey! He's coming towards you! Hey! Get on the ground, dude! Look! Get down! Officer needs help! Shot fired! Get down! Officer needs help! Get down! Get down! Get down! Officer needs help! Shot fired! Get down! No! Hey! Get down, man! Watch out! Watch
He doesn't have anything in his hands.
Mistake! Get down! Get down! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You're gonna get tased again! Don't move! You're gonna get tased again! Do not move! Get your hands behind your back!
You shot me, I'm shot!
No, you're not.
Shot fired! You shot me!
Hold the frequency, code 4.
Fire department paramedics transported Hall to a hospital, where he was treated for taser-related injuries and released for booking. Investigators recovered a black airsoft replica handgun and a knife at the scene, both booked as evidence. The district attorney later filed 2 counts of robbery and 2 counts of assault with a deadly weapon against Hall.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.